Whenever we study motion, we often deal with the direction of velocity, acceleration, and net force. Remember first that the direction of the acceleration is always in the same direction as the net force. We get that from Newton's second law of motion. Net force and acceleration always point in the same direction. Also remember that the direction of the velocity is always in the forward direction, the direction the object is moving. The direction of motion of the object is the same as the direction of the velocity. It's important to remember those. So now the two cases we need to look into when an object is speeding up or when an object is slowing down. When an object is speeding up, its velocity is in the forward direction like we said here. Its acceleration and net force are also in that same forward direction. So all three, velocity, acceleration, and net force, point in the same forward direction. Now, to help justify this or to remember it, think of the time you try to help a kid learn to ride a bike. To get the kid to move faster, what do? You push them, that's the net force, in the direction they are moving. So the net force is in the same direction they are moving. So then velocity is forward, net force is forward, and acceleration is forward. Now, what about the case when an object is slowing down? In this case, the net force and the acceleration are going to be opposite in direction to the velocity. The velocity is going to be in the forward direction, but both net force and acceleration are going to be backwards. Again, think of the time you try to help a kid learn to ride a bike. To get them to slow down, you hold them back. The net force is going to be back, hold them back, in the direction opposite to the direction they are moving. So they are moving forward, but net force and acceleration are going to be backward.